play a game in Snapchat. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Snapchat app and make sure to log into your account. So here in the lower button you can see the various options. So among them you have to tap on the chat option, which is right next to the location. And here you have to select the person with whom you want to play the game. And after selecting, you can see there is no any options for playing the game with the person. In the past there used to be a rocket option through which you will be able to play a game, but the new updated version of Snapchat doesn't give that rocket option, due to which you cannot play game in the new version of Snapchat. So in order to play the game with your friends, you have to download the oldest version. For that you have to go to your browser, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Snapchat old version, and after that you have to go for the Snapchat old versions over here. And by doing that you'll be able to see the various apps over here. So among them you can install any of them on your device and you can try. And after installing you can follow the same step and select the person with whom you want to play the game, and you'll be able to see the rocket option. So when you tap on the rocket option, then you'll be able to play game with that person. So by following this step you can play game on Snapchat. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.